I was from the city, she was from the outside. I was from the north, she was from the south side. I looked in the mirror.
YouTube, what's up? And today we will be, yes that's right, we will be getting free PSN codes. Let's go. So all you want to do is search up www.freenow.live/ trust me, this will work, / gift card. Okay, then you just press go. You're taken to this site right here. Now, you go down and you choose which one you want. I'll go for PlayStation because that's what I'm showing you. You can get all those other ones, by the way. So you got all this, you choose which one. I'm just going to go 100 because that's like the best one, isn't it? So you wait for it. There we go, it's completed. Press on human verification. Okay, now you pick one of them. Okay? Well, that's all you have to do is pick one. After you have done, you will have a free PSN code. You can use it wherever you want, obviously on your PS4, whatever game. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya soon.